Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the crypto booth.
Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. I am the Crypto Father and today is the 30th of September and it's another Monday, so this calls for another crypto news recap. Let's have a look at what's been going on. We're gonna have a look at Bitcoin, Sui, Hamster Combat, and a bunch of other articles that look to be fresh off the press. But first, let's jump into the market and have a quick look at our market cap and all that good stuff. The market cap is at $2.4 trillion right now, which is a nice thing to see. The lines are green. Green is just such a pretty color when you look at it on these displays. $61 billion in trading volume. Bitcoin at $65,000. I saw it at $66,000 just a little while ago. It dipped a little bit, literally a couple of dollars below. Ethereum at $2,600. Binance at $600. Do you think the release of CZ has something to do with it? Quite possibly. Solana back at $160 and Cardano is at 40 cents, man. How good to see that is. Polkadot with its only animated flaming display on CoinGecko, still below $5, man. This is the price it was at in 2020, I think 2020, when my buddy gave me the tip and I got into some Polkadot at around this price, and then it pumped and then it dumped and it stayed at this price. So hopefully we'll see Polkadot pump again to $20 or $25, whatever the heck it was at in its heyday. I'll be talking about Sui a little bit today as well. Litecoin at $70 and Meowcoin price tag is slumping, but Meowcoin has got something huge in the works. They're releasing their paw print application, which is going to be taking care of tracking animals. So this coin with a market cap well below $1 million has massive potential. Check that out. Bitcoin chart is beginning to look good. We have a nice breakout above the 200 moving average, and the Bollinger Bands are looking to be moving upwards, so that's nice. There's a bit of volume coming in as well here. There's quite a bit of volume, positive volume. Hopefully this stays and it doesn't turn out to be another fake out. Let's see how Bitcoin performs against this trend, this downward sloping trend over the next upcoming days. But articles are already beginning to circulate. Imminent Bitcoin breakout, Bitcoin forming a path to $350 spike. As Bitcoin seeks to reclaim the $70,000 resistance, a prominent analyst has suggested there is room for more excitement as the maiden cryptocurrency is building momentum toward a six-figure record high. Analysts has termed the current price movement as noise and indicated that a larger move is likely brewing, pointing out the asset is forming a cup and handle pattern, which is what we can see over here. Is the cup and the handle. The cup and handle forming is among the most bullish chart patterns. It emerges when an asset's price follows a rounded concave trajectory followed by a smaller consolidation period before breaking out to the upside. At the moment, Bitcoin's price appears to have retraced to the 0.786 Fibonacci level, a key area that could serve as support before the next move up. Martinez suggests that once Bitcoin breaks this pattern, it could rally between $194,000 to $352,000. The two resistance levels are $65,000 and $70,000. These are the ones that we see on the downward sloping channel. And all of this comes on the back of the SEC approving Bitcoin ETFs options on BlackRock's IBIT. On Friday, the SEC approved Nasdaq ISE's request to list options on BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, expanding Bitcoin-related products. Let's take the SEC's approval of Bitcoin options ETFs starts us down the path of further expanding Bitcoin's total market. Right now, trading Bitcoin futures and options is mainly limited to offshore platforms or OTC markets, which many people can't access. With US listed options ETFs, more people, including US retail investors and large institutions, could get involved, fueling Bitcoin's growth with tools for better risk management and improved efficiency, similar to how the oil market grew when futures and options were approved. So this, of course, will take time, but we may see a lot more movement over the upcoming year and into the bull market. What's next for Hamster Combat, peeps? Hamster Combat is on everybody's mind. There is a lot of disappointment. Hamster Combat isn't stopping, and it's at its token launch on the open network. The team has some major moves planned to break free from its Telegram tools. With NFTs, new games, and big expansion goals on the horizon, the future looks packed. The game pulled 300 million players. Around 130 million of them will score tokens, have received tokens airdrops already, and the team apparently is planning a lot more. So right now we're in an interlude, and season 2 is coming up. What to expect for season 2? Well, hopefully something a lot better than we saw in season 1. But apparently they're gearing up to drop even more games following the footsteps of tap-to-earn pioneer Litecoin. They're also planning to introduce external payment system to streamline the process for players just in time for November integrations of NFT into the game. So the team is planning to launch a progressive web app, which means that the game is going to move away from Telegram and onto desktops, and I guess it's going to become available for downloads as an Android or iOS pack. PWAs act like regular apps but are essentially websites which will allow Hamster Combat to break free from its exclusive reliance on Telegram. They're also planning on launching a dedicated ad network and NFT marketplace, 2 major games with Hamster integration, and their first competitive clan championship, all part of their mission to scale up. The team is also planning to use revenue to buy back tokens from the market for distribution and burns, further support the ecosystem. The next summer will bring the second phase of the airdrop and the end season of the season 2 with a new twist, user-generated content. So this should be interesting. So they have a lot of plans, and Hamster token right now has dunked to 0057, which is much lower than it was initially sold. People are hating on it, but fear not, this is a project that is in progress and it's developing, and the team seems to have a lot of plans. And granted, these are just plans, so we don't know where it's going to go, but so far so good. Is it worth investing in this token? Well, it's just as risky as any other meme or new projects are. The future of this token depends on what the team does and how far they're willing to sacrifice their time and commitment, and how much they're willing to develop this project, right? If they do, and if they fulfill all of these predictions, all of these promises here that I talk about in this article here on Binance Square, then we should probably see Hamster Combat do very well. And if they don't, then it's going to fall on its face like so many other projects. Sui Network. I talked about Sui a while back. What lies ahead for Sui from 2024 to 2030? Sui Network is a cutting-edge layer 1 blockchain designed to simplify smart contract creation execution, excelling in handling multiple transactions simultaneously. So Sui is a network not unlike Ethereum, and that's basically what they're gearing up to be. Competitor to the Ethereum blockchain. Platform and tokens. Sui operates a smart contract platform supported by a decentralized group of validators who function similarly to validators or miners. It uses the Move programming language, which was originally developed by Facebook for its DM initiative. The Narwhal and Bullshark system are meant to significantly boost transaction speeds. Narwhal component clusters transactions, while Bullshark effectively arranges them for rapid approval, ensuring impressive throughput. So the price prediction for Sui is $8. Those are the predictions. So modest $1.78, which what it's trading at right now, to a high of $8.24. For the year 2025, price predictions are looking at $4.17 and $8 and beyond for the very greedy. Zuckerberg's 200 billion metaverse gamble is paying off. Apparently, Zuckerberg has become the fourth richest person in the States, or in the world, I guess. His net value is now at 201 billion. Some say that, the presumption is that it's due to metaverse, but some are saying that it's not necessarily metaverse itself, but rather the fact that it's running on AI. Nonetheless, Zuckerberg has invested a lot of money into Meta, and I guess he continues to work on it. So could this be the next big thing? Maybe. US judge denies Tornado Cash developer Roman Storm's motion to dismiss. Trial set for December, report. So this dude is still waiting for trial. A while back, Tornado Cash was allegedly helping the Lazarus group launder illegal funds through the crypto mixer, and this is what the accusations are from. And so that's scheduled for December, and I guess the trial is going to go forth. Now, how effective or how this will affect the market, there's a difference in how the different players affect the crypto market. CZ coming back to live and being back online obviously is a huge boost. Developers of Tornado Cash being on trial, I'm not sure how that really affects. I mean, it's not a positive obviously, but overall I don't think that this is a major event that should affect crypto in any massive negative way. FTX creditors angry over minimum payouts they will receive. FTX creditors will receive only 10 to 25% of their crypto holdings, causing widespread dissatisfaction. So there was talk of FTX having billions of dollars in reserves and that people were going to get paid, but apparently that is not the case. People will only get 10 to 25% of their crypto back. And this is based on the fact that the repayments will come according to the petition date, which means when crypto prices were much lower. To put in perspective, Bitcoin's price was $16,000 at the time, and now it's around $65,000. People are upset because they argue that this reorganization plan won't fully compensate for their losses, many of which included life savings. And this is why you should never invest more than you can afford. Your life savings, investing your life savings into crypto is dangerous, and if you do, then it's probably best to keep it off exchanges because of things like that, unforeseen catastrophes. And some scams. FBI seizes more than $6 million in crypto from Southeast Asian scammers preying on US citizens. In these scams, fraudsters trick US citizens into believing they are transferring funds to cryptocurrency investment opportunities when in fact they are just unwittingly turning their money over to the fraudsters. So these are things like fake wallets, fake projects, rug pulls, all this kind of stuff. Kind of like Pandoshi, I guess. Lots of, and BlockDAG, which is still ongoing. It's such a shame that this is still ongoing. But there's another article on the fake crypto wallet on Google Play steals 70,000 in digital assets after being downloaded 10,000 times. Be careful what you download. Be careful where you put your money, because you never know where it's going. Don't fall prey for fake projects that are promising you millions of dollars overnight returns. These things don't happen, and once your funds are gone, they're gone. They're not going to be replaced. And even in cases like these where the FBI manages to catch scammers and reclaim the money, they don't really know where it came from, and so people will most likely not be able to get any of that money back. So be very careful. Store your money on a wallet. You can store them on the Tangent wallet. I have a discount code. You can receive a 10% discount with the CryptoFather discount code, and I'll be introducing to you another wallet in the upcoming days. I have it here, I just haven't had the time to unwrap it, but that's also a very good wallet, and I'll be making a review of that. In the meantime, make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, Share the love, share the video with everybody else. If you are interested in helping the channel, then do consider joining memberships on the channel. Become a crypto cat or crypto kitten, and for the price of 1 coffee a month, you'll be helping me create more content and supporting me in the good cause. Support the little channels. I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Have a good Monday.